Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I am your host, your dost, and still again in the ghost mode as usual, Mohit Jain, with actual question asked on 13th June 2021, Infosys Online Assessment Drive in section 2, that is technical ability. They call it technical ability, but majority of the questions those are asked in this particular section belongs to verbal reasoning and mathematical reasoning. So let's see what they have asked and let's solve them up. In the time given to you, please try to pause the video and then try to solve and then look out for the options. Which two numbers should be interchanged to make the below equation mathematically correct? Okay, we have 3 into 6 minus 7 divided by 2 plus 5 is equals to 12. 6 and 3. If I change 6 and 3, there would be no change on the left hand side. 2 and 5. If I change 2 and 5, it will become 3 into 6, 18 minus 17 by 2, which will be in fraction, but it would be by 5, which will again would be in the fraction, and plus 2 won't be giving 12. 17 and 12, 3 into 6 minus 12 divided by 2 plus 5 is equals to 17. Let's check. 12 by 2 is 6, 3 into 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12 and 12 plus 5 is 17. It is fitting in. Option C fits in. If we interchange 17 and 12, it would be a mathematically correct equation. Find the pair of signs that when interchanged will make the given equation true. Now it is 32 plus 4 divided by 8 is half into 3 is 1.5, which is obviously not giving 18. Plus and minus sign, if we interchange, then this culprit will remain as same. So plus and minus sign are not interchanging. Plus and into, plus and then into first, and then here we have plus. 4 divided by 8 will remain as half, and then 32 into half would be 16. 16 plus 3 would be 19. 19 minus 14 is 5 and not 18. Minus sign and division. 32 plus 4 minus 8 into 3 divided by 14. This instant know how will give something which when divided by 14 would be 18, or 3 divided by 14 if we follow BODMAS rule, we would be getting something in fraction. And 32 plus 4, whatever we'll get, we multiply by 8, we will have again fraction. So let's try with plus and divide. 32 divided by 4 plus 8 into 3 minus 14 is how much? 32 divided by 4 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. That is 32 minus 4, 28, and 10 will give 18. So plus and division sign should be interchanged. Sorry. Okay, one more question on interchanging the signs to make the equation mathematically correct on some other screen. 18 divided by 6 is 3 into 4 would be 12 plus 2 14 minus 3 would be 11 but not 26. Into and plus, this would be 3 and then 8. We would be adding 11 minus 3 is not 26. Divide and plus, if I add up here, and 4 divided by 2 would be again half, into 6 would be 3. 18 plus 3, 3 cancel, it's not 26. Multiplication and subtraction. So 18 by 6 would be 3 minus 4 plus 2 into 3, 6 plus 9 plus 3 is 9 minus 4 is not 26. We are left with only this option. Let's check. 18 into 6 divided by 4 plus 2 minus 3. So it would be 3 and 9, 9, 3, 27 plus 2 is 29 minus 3 is 26 and it fits in. That means option D fits in. I hope you people are pausing the video and trying to solve by yourself, isn't it? And you must be having the answer. B, H, R, M, complete the following letter series. Then C, F, U, I, D, D, X, E, E, B, A, what should come? You can see here B, C, D, E, F, H, I. Okay, from here they are going back. B, C, D, E, F, that means minus 1 A, Z should come here. This should be A backward, C, D, E, F, G, H. Moving from down to up. Then R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We should have A, B, C, D from up. And here it is from below. That is what I can see. A, B, C, D, gap of 3. E, F, G, H. Then gap of 3 would be Z, Y, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, gap of 3, we should have a W. So the next alphabet in this series should be F, Z, D, W, and that we have in option B. A question from Coding Decoding. It's always feasible if we can convert these letters into numbers, and it helps us a lot. You know, A stands for 1 and Z stands for 26. EJOTY is very famous like name. EJOT, it look like electronic jyoti. This is 5th, this is 10th, this is 15, 20 and 25th letter in the English alphabets, which always help us out in finding out the number. G is 7 and here we have L, which is 12. It gives us a gap of 5. Let's see. E is 5 and J is 10. So here also gap of 5. So let me check with the L. L is 12 and Q is 17. That means the code here is plus 5 on the number. Account is 1, it will become 6. C will become 8. O is 15, it will become 20. U is 21, it will become 26. N is 14, 19. T is 20, it will become 25. Now C, 8 is H, 20 is T, 26 is Z, 19 is S, and 25 is Y. C, H, T, Z, S, Y. Sorry, F, 6 is F. So it should be F, H, T, Z, S, Y. Sorry for that error. F, H, T, Z, S, Y is in option B. Pause the video and try to solve. You know the drill. Select a triad, a combination of 3 things, that is related in the same basis to the triad given in the equation. T, V, X are related somehow. T, U, V, W, X. That means it is plus 1, plus 1. We need to identify which option is plus 1, plus 1. This is C, D, E, F, but it is not plus 1, plus 1. Then we have I, J, K, L, M, and it is plus 1, plus 1, moving one place ahead. I, K, M is the fit with T, V, X, and we move on. In a code language, if shirt means shoe, shoe means wallet, wallet means spectacle, spectacle means fan, fan means cabin, and cabin means card, then which of the following do we use when we want some air? When we want some air, we need fan. And fan means cabin. We would be using cabin. Option A fits in. In a certain code, mobile is television, television is geyser, geyser is laptop, laptop is cooler, cooler is fan. Then what is used to transform cold water into hot water? We need a geyser. And geyser in this language is known as laptop. Geyser is called laptop. We'll mark on A, that is laptop. In a certain code language, trend is written with help of some number. So let's convert this trend into its actual alphabet count. T is 20, but they have written 28. That means plus 8, maybe they are going like. R is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. That means the code is plus 8. Now we need the code for present. Present actual number count would be 16, R is 18, E is 5, S is 19, E is 5, N is 14, and T is 20. So if I add plus 8 to everything, I'll get 24, 26, 13, 27, 13, 22, and 28. And yes, that fits in option B. In a certain code language, train is 62, glider is 55. It's always possible that let's take up these actual numbers position for train. T is 20, R is 18, A is 1, I is 9, and N is 14. And let's add up and see what we are getting. 38 and 24 is 62, and it is matching. That means for football, we just need to find their numeric position in the English alphabet and add up. 6 plus O is 15, that is 15 plus 15. T is 20, A is 1, and L is 12. So 24, 25, 45, and 30. 45 and 30 is 75, plus 6 is 81. But yes, I missed out B here. B is 2. 81 plus 2 is 83. Answer should be 83. And yes, we have that in option B. Select a pair that is related on the same basis to the pair given in the question. P, Z is related to U. Similarly, we need alphabet which is related to B, J. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Where is U? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That means U is in the center position of P and Z. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 3, 3. F is in the center position of B and J. F should be the alphabet which should be coming here. That is C. Or we can also see like this. P is 16 and Z is 26. And U is 21. So if I multiply and divide this, should I get anything? No. Yes. If I add this, I am getting 42. Now 42 divided by 21 gives us 2. B is 2 and J is 10. That is 12. When divided by 2 should give 6, and the sixth alphabet in the alphabet list is F. So F fits in. Complete the following letter series again. A, B, C, D. I should have E. Then D, E, F plus 1. G, H, I, J, K, L. K, L, M, L, M plus 2 moving, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, then U, V, W. N, after N is R, that is O, P, Q, it is moving plus 3. Z plus 3, A, B, C, D we should have, because it is moving plus 3 and then the next alphabet is being placed. E, L, W, D. E, L, W, D is in option B. Find the missing term in the following series combination of numbers and alphabets. Let's do the numbers first. 1, 4, 9 something and then 25. You can see this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. We should have 4 square here, that is 16. Then D, E, F, D, E, F, then we have I, G, H, I, then we can have 3 here and we will see D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and this is R. Bingo. We should have M here. Then now we look at this. This is moving back. W, then V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O. We should have N, and then M, L, K, J, which will give I. Wonderful. We should have N. So the number which we are looking out for is M25. Sorry, it should be M16N and not 25. This is the next number. We are looking out for this. M16N features in option A. Find the missing term in the following number series. And the basic drill in number series is, if you find that numbers are not increasing with an horrendous speed, let's find the difference and prepare the difference table. 14 minus 3 is 11. This is 25. 84, 44, 45. And 16, 521, 71. Now the difference between the difference is 14, 20, 26, and here we can see that the differences is moving in 6. So if I put 6 here, 26 plus 6 will become 32. 32 plus 71 will become 103. 103 plus 155 will become 258. Let's see whether 399 also we are getting or not. 6 plus 32 is 38. 38 plus 103 is 141. And 258 plus 141 is 399. So with the help of difference table, we can always crack these kind of question in no time. Answer is 258, option B. Okay, again we need to find the missing term in the series 25, 26, and as suggested, always look out for the difference table. Many a times we can end up finding the answer with that. If the difference is 1, then 8, then 27, 64. Bingo, this is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. That means differences are increasing in natural number cubes. It should be 5 cube, that is 125. 125 plus 125 is 250. Then let's add up 6 cube. 6 cube is 216 plus 250 is 466, and it matches. The missing number we are looking out for is 250, that is in option D. Again, find the missing term. We have 19, 20, 25, 38, missing term 128. Let's go by our rule book of finding the difference table. 1, 5, 13, and here the difference is 4 and then 8. If I move it like this, series is moving with the 12, 12, 12, 12 not 4, 4, 4 gap, maybe like an AP series. So if I put difference 12 here, 12 plus 13 would be 25. 25 and 38 is 63, but 63 is not in any one of the options.
No sir, वो जो आप
But 63 is not there. That means let's try with 4, 8, and maybe like if this is double. 4, 8, if I take 16, 16 plus 13 is 29. 29 plus 38 is 67. And then 16, 32. 32 plus 29 is 61. And then 61 plus 67 will give 128. That means here 67 will fit in. Option B fits in. Out of the given options, 3 are similar in certain manner. However, one option is not like the other 3. Select the option which is different from the rest. Okay. 1331, we know that it is 11 cube. 4913 is 17 cube. 793, yes. And 6859 is 19 cube. But 3373 is not the cube of any number. Yes, option B is the odd one out. 3373 is not cube of any natural number, otherwise the remaining 3 are. Find the odd triad from the given option. 17, 85, 306. This is 17, 17 into 5. This is 17 into 18. 15, 75 is 15 into 5. 225 is 15 into 15. 11, this is 11 into 5. This is 11 into 12. 8, 8 into 5 and 8 into 9. We can see a pattern in the first one. 17, then it is multiplied by 5 and then it is multiplied by its next number. 15 multiplied by 5 multiplied by same number. 11 multiplied by 5 multiplied by next number. 8 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by next number. These are our oblong numbers of the given number, and these are 5 times of the number which is not fitting up in option B. Option B is the odd one out. Out of the given options, 3 are similar. Find the one which is not the similar and find the odd one out. As I am glancing through it, all numbers seems to be the squared numbers. First is square of 7, then 5, 3, 15, this is 13 is square and 11, this is 16 is square, 14 is square and 10, 8, 6, 4. Here we can see that 3, 5, 7 is in AP with common difference 2. 11, 13, 15 is in AP with common difference 2. 4, 6, 8 is in AP with common difference 2. But here the common difference is not 2 throughout these 3 numbers. That means option C I'll pick up as odd one out. Select the option that is related to the third term on the same basis as the second term is related to the first. We have 7 which is related to 55, then how 9 is related to some number. Whenever these kind of analogies we have, try to build up some variability. Here we can have like it's look like 56 na. 56. 7 into 8 minus 1 can give 55. That is n into n plus 1 minus 1. And if I do here 9 into 10 minus 1, that would be 90 minus 1, 89, and 89 is there in the option. Now, can I have some other answer also? If I do 7 square plus 6, it is giving me 55. That means n square plus 6 can be the notion also. 9 square plus 6 is 81 plus 6, that is 87. And ironically, 87 is also there in the option. Your call. What should be taken? But I'll go with 89 because least number of constant terms are used. 1 or plus 1. Now, if we try to convert this whole lot into variable, can this be written as 7 square plus 7 minus 1? That is, it will become n square plus n minus 1, which will again will go back to our previous form, that is n square plus n minus 1. So somehow with these things I will go in for 89. That should be the answer. In a certain code, messenger is coded at this in number format. Let's check how numbers are moving. M happens to be the 13th one in the list, but here I can see 12. That means it is minus 1. Then E is 5, but it is 6. That is plus 1. Then S is 19, but we can see 18. That is minus 1. Then again S is 19, but it is 18, minus 1. E 6 plus 1. N is 14 and it is 13, minus 1. G is 7 and then 6, minus 1. E is 5 and then 6, plus 1. R is 18 and then 17, minus 1. What is the pattern? Minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1, minus 1. We have Facebook. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 was minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Let's see if it fits in. 6 minus 1 5. A plus 1 will give 2. C is 3 minus 1 will give 2. 5 minus 1 E minus 1 is 4, but none of the option is showing 4th. That means there should be some other setup logic which is given here. M minus 1, then minus 1 is with SS, then minus 1 is with N, G and R, which happens to be consonants, and this E, E, E are vowels where we have plus 1. Good. So let's use this now. In Facebook, it should be F minus 1, A plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, plus 1 and minus 1. For consonants, it is minus 1, and for vowels, it is plus 1. So 6 minus 1, 5, A is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 plus 1 is 6, B is 2, minus 1 is 1, then O is 15, it will give 16. 16. K is 11 and that will give 10. So we have 5, 2, 2, 6, 1, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 0, and that fits in option A. In a certain code, hashtag @ means rock man real. Percentage * means real lost gang. That means real is asterisk gone, and symbol dollar and percentage means hate gang life. In second and third we can see that we have gang common and now we have percentage common. So that means gang is percentage, real is asterisk. What is asked? What is the code for lost? So here we have this lost. Code for lost would be this interrogation sign, that is question mark sign, option D. In a certain language, pa ko na means I am going. So ko dp means she is going, and here we can see going is common and ko is common. That means going is ko. EO pa tr means I have reached. Now in first and third we can see I is common and pa is common. So pa gone with I. I means pa. Now do AP and TR, it should be separate. AP and TR means they have house. So in 3 and 4 we have common and we have TR common. That means have means TR. Now the question, what does TR means? TR means have, that is in option B. Select the pair that is related on the same basis to the pair given in the question. Analogy, carpenter saw. Okay. Carpenter used saw. Tailor, syringe. Tailor doesn't use syringe. Doctor, wrench. Wrench is not used by doctor. Electrician, X. Electrician don't use X. So we are left with only C. Mason using trawl. One more general knowledge analogy. Select the pair that is related on the same basis. Tesla, Elon Musk, we know the founder, Malik Bhai Sahab. Microsoft, Bill Gates. Option C fits in. Very rarely you will find a mathematical question which they ask in Infosys technical ability round. So this was one of it. What is the cube root of the product of non-prime numbers on the telephone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That is what we find on the telephone. Obviously we are not considering 0 because options are there. Non-prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. So we are looking out for cube root of 1 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 9. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And let us group it up. 3, 3, 3, 3 times 3. So out of cube root we will have 1 time 3, 2, 2, 2, 1 time 2 and 2, 2, 2, 1 time 2. 4 into 3 is 12. Option A is the answer. Okay, let us end this session with the mathematical inequality. What is the solution of the following equation? 4 of x plus 3, that is 4 into x plus 3 minus 1 is greater than 5 minus 8 of 3 minus x. 4x plus 12 minus 1 is greater than 5 minus 8 into 3 is 24 plus 8x. So we have 4x minus 8x greater than minus 19 minus 12 plus 1 minus 4x is greater than minus 30. If I multiply both sides by minus 1 by 4, I'll get x is less than 30 by 4, that is 7.5. X is less than 7.5. When we multiply inequalities with minus sign on both sides, the inequality sign also changes. So it would be x is less than 7.5. Option C fits in. Thank you everyone for participating. This is Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I hope you have understood that these type of questions we need to complete it in the given time. These all are easy. If we practice, we can do it. They call it technical ability, but they ask in the technical ability round. These all are basic verbal reasoning questions. Do practice a lot. Stay at home, stay fit, stay safe, and be strong. India will fight back, isn't it? And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified about our all videos. Every day nowadays I'm coming up with a session, so do subscribe to the channel, do comment, like and share if you like the efforts we are putting in. Stay well and thanks again for participating. I'll see you soon, very soon.